Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. In the missionary activity of St. Paul and the Apostles, the providence of the Lord was mirrored not only in terms of having something to assist or fulfill their needs, but the providence of the Lord also came out in the persons or in the groups they have had encountered. We've heard one provident and even faithful follower of the apostles in our first reading in the person of Lydia. Si Lydia po ay isa sa mga tinuturing na mga kilalang tumulong who was at the background of the missionary journey of the apostles. The apostles found a support in Lydia. When it seems that no one was accepting them in their own places of mission, Lydia opened her home and her family for the presence of his disciples. Nakakatuwa nga po ang pagsasalin sa Tagalog ng "and she prevailed on us", na para bang hindi na sila makahindi sa ginagawa ni Lydia. And now, we continue to listen from Jesus and his disciples. Now, Jesus delivering that indeed the advocate comes, will be with you in this moment of your life. When people too would think that they will be expelling you, they will be rejecting you, and they thought that they are doing good things. And how now the Lord or the apostles can see in Jesus another source of support, another source of encouragement as they face their journey. The face and the person of Lydia and Jesus as the strong support of the apostles in their life. And in these days, my dear sisters and brothers, I hope we get to find also our Lydia and our Jesus, our source of support, our source of warm welcome, that person who will be ready to give his or her all to support us in our everyday endeavor. The support of his or her time, of presence, of patience, of ears, and even of prayers. And more than us finding the Lydia and Jesus in our life, let us also be the support that someone needs today. Baka po katulad ng mga alagad, may mga taong ramdam nilang wala na silang lugar sa puso ng ibang tao. Baka may mga taong nakakaranas ng paghihirap, hindi lang ng pera, kundi paghihirap ng paniniwala sa Diyos, ng kanilang pag-ibig, ng kanilang lakas sa oras na ito. And let us stand in front of them as their Lydia and Jesus, their source of support, their source of strength, their source of faith. And let this be the reason why we will continue and why we will be holding on to our mission every day. Because we have found our support in Jesus, we have found our support with one another.